Everybody, today I'm going to show you how to print an even border on your lino block prints. So this is a print that I want to make. It's on a 6x6 block, but I want to have a 1/2 inch border along the side. So I want it to be on 7x7 paper, and I'm going to show you how to do that using a cutting board. And if you don't have a cutting board, I'll show you how to do it using a piece of paper. So we have at the bottom here all of our inches. I'm going to put my block here centered and lined up. So now when I go to print, this is a 7x7 piece of paper. Instead of lining it up with the corner of the block, because I want the 1/2 inch border, I'm going to line it up with the corners on the cutting board, and when I print it, that's going to give me a nice even border. So if you don't have a cutting block, the way that you're going to do this is you're going to take your ruler. Remember I said I wanted a 1/2 inch, so I'm going to mark that all the way around. Then I actually like to do the lines as well. Okay, so I have this all marked out. So then when I go to print, I'm going to be putting my block in the center here, squared up. And then I'm going to match my corners of the next sheet to these. You would take your piece of paper and lay it over the top like that, matching up the corners on the bottom, and then you'll have an even border. So this is going to be my first test print of this block, so it might not turn out great, but it will at least show you what I'm talking about in execution. I'm gonna just do a really thin layer to get my block covered, because I might have to do some additional carving. Let this get nice and tacky, and then we're gonna apply our ink to the block. Very happy with how that turned out. This should be a nice print for the shop. So once I have this, I'll show you with the piece of paper, because I feel like most people probably have paper, but maybe not everybody has a cutting board. All right, so I'm lined up here within my guidelines. I'm going to take the piece of paper that I'm going to print with, very carefully line up the edges, press it down. Do my best to get the edges really well. Now again, this is my first print, so don't judge. But then I have my nice border. Easy peasy. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope this was helpful to you.